Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new to my channel and this is your first time here. I really hope that you guys stick around and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Today I am doing a very special Christmas clean with me video. I have up all my Christmas decor, so if you guys are loving Christmas right now, you'll definitely want to stick around. But also I am doing a collab with a very special friend on YouTube. Her name is Kristen, known as the Southern Mom, and I'm super excited to do this collab with her. She has 3 beautiful kiddos and a pair of twin girls, and they are super adorable. She does a lot of organizing, fashion, crafts, cooking, cleaning, you name it, she does it. Her kids also have YouTube channels as well. I don't know how she does it, but she does it. You guys definitely need to check her out. I'm going to put her information down in the description box below. So this is an overview of what my living area looks like. Today I'm going to be cleaning my living area, the hallways, my kitchen, my dining room, my girls' room, and our bathroom. I didn't even make it to our bedroom today. We'll save that for another video, but it's chaotic enough with just this mess. So this is what we're going to tackle today. So first I'm going to start off by cleaning out our fireplace. We've been using it a lot lately because it's actually been cold enough here in Texas, so that's what you'll see me doing right now. So the next biggest thing to tackle is the laundry. I started to do laundry in the living room, and that's always a disaster because I never quite get to finishing it. So for the meantime, I'm going to transport all of this to my bedroom and do it at a later time. So here I'm just fluffing out our pillows and dusting off the couch. My daughter tends to eat snacks on here, and so crumbs just get everywhere. So that's what you'll see me doing right now. You know, I just got back from a trip to New York for like a mini Christmas vacation, and I have to say that was an amazing trip. There's so many things to do, especially at Christmas time. It's really beautiful seeing all the lights and everything, and especially the Rockefeller tree. I'm a huge elf fan, so if you guys are as well, that is definitely an iconic moment that I had when I went there. And so stay tuned because I will be posting those videos sometime next week. So speaking of Christmas trees, we have a real tree. We try to do one every year. It's just our Christmas tradition, but you guys know they shed like crazy. So if you don't stay on top of this, it gets really bad really fast. So this is one thing that I really despite having to do, but I love the tree, so we always do it every year anyways, regardless. So once I'm done with the living room, I'm just going to sweep the hallways and the living room as well. And my chairs needed a quick wipe down. I don't know what the heck my kiddos put on there, but I'm just using the e-cloth with just water. So this is a really simple cleaning tool that I am loving because it only requires water. Okay, so I'm using this Method wood polish. I'm still trying to get my dining room table as clean as possible and not dull looking, if you guys know what I mean. So I'm seeing a lot of YouTubers use this, so I went ahead and I wanted to give it a try. So far it worked good. I still feel like there's still streaks afterwards even when I wipe it with a dry cloth, but let me know in the comments below if you guys know of anything better that you guys like or prefer using when cleaning any type of wood furniture.
But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated every.
So next I'm onto the kitchen, so to knock these dishes out. This is my least favorite chore ever. I do not like doing the dishes, but it's funny because I know the Raid Done say that they're dishwasher safe, the mugs, but I still prefer to hand wash them. I just feel like it's gonna get ruined if I put them in the dishwasher, and my boys keep doing that and I keep getting onto them like, hey, these things are hard to find. So if you guys know what I mean, give this video a thumbs up because Raid Done is not that easy to find nowadays.
The first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for.
So onto the sink, and I like this Barkeeper soft scrub. I've really been enjoying it. I've been using it for like 2 weeks now and I really do like it. I use it for my stove as well. So yeah, if you guys have not tried this, definitely you should.
'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself.
And if you guys are curious which Mrs. Meyer's scent I'm using the peppermint scented one. I do like this one. It is very like crisp and clean smelling, so I really do like this one, especially for Christmas.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
So I like using the Wyman stainless steel wipes. Let me know if you guys use the spray. I think the spray actually might be a little better because I noticed the wipes have a lot of the product on it, and I feel like the spray you can kind of control that a little bit more better. But guys, let me know the struggle of trying to clean while you have a room or a house full of kids. It's so hard to work around and so hard to keep clean at the same time. So you guys will probably see things moved around and me trying to work around the kids, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, mom life.
That's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary.
So next I'm moving on to the bathroom, and I'm just cleaning the sink out and the counters as well. Nothing special. I use Clorox wipes because they're disposable for the toilet. Like I said, nothing special or spectacular. And if you notice, I really didn't decorate too much in here. I don't know. I wasn't feeling it in the bathroom. I don't know. Maybe it just doesn't go with my decor right now, but I have the beach theme going on still in here. But yeah, so that's kind of what's going on in my bathroom.
It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends.
And finally, on to my daughter's rooms. They share a bedroom. My oldest daughter just moved back into the house. She's expecting a little one in January. So I had to squeeze two little ones into one small bedroom, but we made it work. Got the beds. I ordered those online, so we are good to go. But I feel like it gets really dirty really fast, really cluttered really fast. So I like the girls to stay on top of this, and it drives me crazy when it's not. And so sometimes, like here, you'll see me making the beds because it's just faster, and I don't like seeing it so cluttered. But most of the time the girls will make their own beds, and they make it the way they make it. I don't try to perfect it or anything because I really don't have time to do that. But yeah, this is their bedroom. Well, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and also subscribe to Southern Mom's channel as well. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.